students, our new topic is audible and inaudible sounds. Yeah, sound could be inaudible though it is present. So now you are supposing how is it possible that sound is present but we are not able to listen it? Yeah, this is possible because of the variation in frequency. We are humans and we are just can listen. We are made up of like we can just be belonging to a certain range, and that is the range of frequency, and beyond that frequency range we are not able to hear anything. So here is the difference between the sound, that is the audible and inaudible sound. Okay, and what is it? Audible sound which we can hear, like it is the range that is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. We can only listen this range. Okay, now according to this range, if I want to say like what is frequency, that I have already cleared to you. If you are making a vibrations like this, okay, so let's suppose I have told you that the frequency are the, what is frequency? It is the number of waves in a 1 second. In just a second, if we want to find how many number of waves has been passed through a particular point, that is frequency. Okay, so now let's suppose 19 waves are passing through a point in a 1 second. So this kind of sound is not audible by our ears. Our ears are not able to listen that thing because this range is crossing the ears, and the vibrations that is being produced in our ear should be at least of 20 of the wave in a second. Okay, so this is cannot be heard by us. Now if 20 waves are crossing the ear in just a second, so we can say that yeah, now we are able to listen this range, listen this sound. Okay, so from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz, if 20,000 hertz means like 20,000 such waves are passing through a single point in just a second, that sound also could be audible by us. Okay, but if I say 21,000 waves, so that is again cannot be audible by us. Even we cannot even feel, this even cannot be felt by us. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये आसपास होगा और आप लोगों को like कान के पर्दे फट जाएंगे. Nothing like that. Even you will not sense anything कि sound भी है यहाँ पे. Okay, because we are just measuring ourselves from 20 to 20,000. This is the only range we are having. So what is inaudible? Now it is obvious to people that inaudible is the sound that we cannot hear, and it is less than this and more than this, more than 20,000. Okay, so this is the range that is not audible to us. One wave, 2 wave, 3 frequency, 4 frequency, 5 hertz, 6 hertz till 19 hertz we are not able, even 19.9 we are not able to hear that. But 20, when it comes to 20, now we are on the range and we can hear. But 20,000, 20,001, even we cannot hear that. Okay, so this is the particular range up to what we can hear the sound. And according to that also, like this less than part and this more than part, we are having the name of that also. Okay, so we can say from the 20 hertz to the 20,000 hertz, this range can be said as the audible range. What we can say this? Audible range. So what is the below 20 and more than 20 could be said as? So here is the part of this. Below 20 is infrasonic sound. Okay, so less than 20 hertz range is known as infrasonic sounds, and that is produced and heard by the rhinoceros, whales, elephants, and many more animals that is present on this planet. So I can just suggest you some of the few examples here. And ultrasonic sounds more than 20,000. So more than 20,000, it's for ultrasonic sound that is produced and heard by dogs, bats, and dolphins. So this is all, students, that how we are fixed in a certain range, and this is our limit, and that is good also. Like if we are able to hear less than 20 hertz, so it won't be easy for us to survive on this planet even, because any animal were talking like, so we are able to hear that their conversations also. And even when we were sleeping, so we cannot even sleep at this time also, certain frequency might be crossing from our ear and we are able to hear that. So it will be like a restless thing for our brain. Okay, so we should thank to God that we are able to hear only this much of range, that is sufficient for us only.